Are you tired of working long hours for little pay? What if I told you there's a new app that can help you make money effortlessly? And the best part, you don't need any skills or experience to get started. That's right, even as a beginner, you can earn an incredible $41 an hour by just doing nothing. If this sounds too good to be true, keep watching because in today's video, we'll be showing you step by step how to use this incredible app and make your money-making dreams a reality. Welcome back to our channel, where we always strive to bring you the latest and greatest ways to make money online. Today, we have some truly groundbreaking news. There's a brand new app launching in 2023 that's set to revolutionize the way people earn money, and you can be one of the first to try it out. This app is perfect for those of you who want to make some extra cash without breaking a sweat. So without further ado, let's dive into how you can start earning a whopping $41.75 per hour by doing absolutely nothing. By now, your curiosity must be piqued, and you're likely asking yourself, what could this fantastic app be that will turn my money-making dreams into a reality? Well, brace yourself for the revelation that's about to change your content creation experience for YouTube and other social media platforms. Introducing the marvelous Script AI, an innovative app designed to revolutionize the way you generate content for your videos. Now, you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, Script AI is an AI-powered tool that specializes in producing short-form content scripts for your video in a matter of seconds. That's right, just imagine effortlessly crafting engaging, viral-worthy content in the blink of an eye. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the magic behind Script AI. This intelligent tool utilizes advanced artificial intelligence to analyze popular trends and identify the key elements that make videos go viral. By using Script AI, you can create content that is not only engaging, but also has the potential to capture the hearts and minds of your audience. And if you're worried about sounding too robotic, don't be. The beauty of Script AI is that it allows you to infuse your own unique voice and personality into a script that it generates. This means your content will not only be captivating, but also feel authentic and true to your style. So if you've been searching for that secret ingredient to elevate your content creation game and make your money-making dreams come true, then look no further than Script AI. With its AI-driven capabilities and user-friendly interface, you'll soon be producing engaging, viral content that keeps your audience coming back for more. So you're probably wondering how you can get started with Script AI, especially if you're a total newbie to content creation. Don't worry, we've got your back. Let's walk you through the super simple process of using this fantastic tool, step by step. Number 1, first things first, head over to scriptai.com where the magic happens. Here you'll be able to select the length of the video you want to create. The options are pretty flexible, ranging from a snappy 15-second all the way up to an in-depth 2-minute masterpiece. Second, it's time to choose a topic or keyword for your video. Remember, the sky's the limit here. Whether you're in the mood for side-splitting dog antics or you want to share the secret to brewing the perfect cup of coffee, Script AI has got you covered. Third, once you've nailed down your topic, Script AI will work its magic. The tool will analyze popular videos in your chosen niche and identify the key elements that make them a hit with viewers. Fourth, hold on tight because within seconds, Script AI will generate a short-form content script for your video. And we're not just talking about any old script, but one that features a captivating hook, engaging content, and a persuasive call to action that will have viewers clamoring for more. Fifth, now this is the fun part, customizing the script to match your personal style and brand. This is where you get to inject your own unique voice and personality into the content, ensuring your video feels authentic and resonates with your audience. Still not convinced? Let's walk through an example of how Script AI can help you create an engaging video script with ease. Let's say you have a YouTube channel about fitness and you want to create a 45-second video about a simple home workout. You head over to Script AI, select the video length of 45 seconds, and enter the topic Simple Home Workout. In no time, Script AI generates a script for your video, such as title, Quick and Easy Home Workout, Get Fit in Just 5 minutes a day. Description, want to get in shape without spending hours at the gym? This simple 5-minute workout can be done at home with no equipment needed. Follow along as we show you how to perform these effective exercises and start seeing results in no time. Now that you have your Script AI generated script, it's time to create a YouTube short. Record your video and edit it down to 60 seconds or less. Be sure to include a clear call to action at the end of your video, encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Upload your video to YouTube as a short, adding relevant hashtags and an attention-grabbing title to help your video get discovered. With Script AI and YouTube Shorts, you can effortlessly create engaging content that will help you grow your audience and make money online. Once you've mastered creating YouTube Shorts with Script AI, considering offering your services as a Shorts creator to other YouTubers who might not have the time or skills to create engaging shorts themselves. The best way to pitch your services is by reaching out to them directly via email. But how do you craft the perfect pitch email? Well, that's where ChatGPT comes in. This AI-powered tool can help you write personalized emails that introduce your services and showcase your unique selling points. Here's how to use ChatGPT to craft the perfect email pitch. Visit a YouTuber's channel and go to their About page. Use ChatGPT to generate a personalized email that introduces yourself, your services, and your unique selling points. Customize the email to fit your own voice and tone, highlighting your specific strengths. For example, you might use ChatGPT to generate an email similar to this. Hi there, I came across your channel and noticed that you haven't started posting shorts yet. I want to reach out and offer my services as a shorts creator. I use a powerful AI tool called Script AI to generate engaging short-form content scripts, and I'm confident that I can create short videos that your viewers will love. With my services, you can focus on creating high-quality long-form content while I take care of the shorts. Let me know if you're interested in working together. To increase your chances of success as a shorts creator using Script AI, here are some additional tips to help you stand out in the crowded online marketplace. Build a strong portfolio. Showcase your best work by creating a portfolio of your YouTube short. This will give potential clients an idea of your skills and creativity, making them more likely to hire you. Keep up with trends. Stay up to date with the latest trends in content creation in popular niches. This will help you create relevant and engaging video scripts that appeal to a wider audience. Collaborate with other creators. Connect and collaborate with other content creators in your niche. This can help you gain valuable insights, expand your network, and potentially find new clients. Improve your video editing skills. While Script AI takes care of the script writing process, having strong video editing skills can set you apart from the competition. Invest time in learning how to use video editing software to create visually appealing and engaging shorts. Offer customized services. Be flexible and offer customized services that cater to the specific needs of your clients. This personal touch can help you build long-term relationships with clients and secure repeat business. Promote yourself on social media. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to showcase your work and reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers, share your latest projects, and provide valuable content to establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building a successful online presence. Post content regularly, engage with your audience, and continue refining your skills to stay ahead of the competition. Seek feedback and learn from it. Always be open to feedback from clients and viewers. This can help you identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to better serve your clients. Stay motivated. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and persistence. Stay focused on your goals, celebrate your achievements, and keep pushing forward to achieve the success you deserve. Script AI is a game-changing tool that can help you create engaging, viral-worthy content for YouTube and other social media platforms. By offering your services as a shorts creator and using ChatGPT to craft perfect pitch emails, you can start earning money online today. So why not give it a try and unlock your full potential as a content creator? Good luck and happy earning. By following these tips and utilizing the power of Script AI and ChatGPT, you'll be well on your way to making money online as a shorts creator. So don't wait any longer. Take the first steps towards financial freedom and start creating engaging content today. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video and tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. Make sure to check out more videos on the screen.